My video game, Endacopia, is coming out in 2 weeks on Steam for Windows. It'll be $15 at launch. So yeah.